Hello children. In the previous video, we have already started reading lesson 7, that is the tale of Peter Rabbit. Let's continue with the lesson. Take out page number 55 of your English 2 books. Peter sat down to rest. He was out of breath and trembling with fright and had no idea which way to go. Now, after running from the tool shed, Peter ran into the garden and somewhere he found a place and sat down there to take rest. He was out of breath, like he was running so fast, and when he started taking rest at some place in the garden, he was totally breathless. Like after running so fast, he was breathless and trembling with fright. Means he was trembling. He was so afraid and he was trembling with fright. Fright means afraid. Like he was afraid of Mr. McGregor and had no idea which way to go. And at that time, he didn't know through which way he should go out of the garden. Also, he was very damp with sitting in that can. Damp means wet. He got wet, as I told you that when he was sitting inside the can, there was a water inside the can. So that's why he got wet inside the can. After a time, he began to wonder about looking all around. After some time, again he started moving around in the garden to find out the way through which he can go out from there. He found a door in the wall, but it was locked and there was no room for a fat little rabbit to squeeze underneath. Now, at last he found that there was a door in a wall, but that door was locked. And below that door there was not much space through which he could move out. Squeeze underneath means he could move out of the door. Means there was less space under the door through which he could not slip out from the garden. Then he tried to find his way straight across the garden, but he became more and more puzzled. Then again he started moving here and there in the garden to find out the way through which he can move out. But at that time he was totally confused because he didn't know what to do. He came to a pond where Mr. McGregor filled his water cans. Then he came near a pond where Mr. McGregor used to fill the water cans. Like the can in which he was sitting, there was some water in it. So Mr. McGregor used to fill water cans in this pond. A white cat was staring at some goldfish. Near the pond, a white cat was sitting, and that cat was staring at the goldfish which was there in the pond. She sat very, very still. Now this cat was sitting very still near the pond. Peter thought it best to go away without speaking to her. He had heard about cats from his cousin little Benjamin Bunny. Now, when he saw this cat sitting very still near the pond, Peter at that time thought that I should not talk to this cat, and he thought that it is the best way to move from here very quietly, as he had something about cats from his cousin Benjamin Bunny. He went back towards the tool shed, but suddenly quite close to him he heard the noise of a hoe. Scritch, scratch, scratch, scritch. Now, when he saw the cat, he quietly moved away from there. Then after that, where did he go? He went back towards the tool shed. But when he was moving towards the tool shed, he heard some noise. What was that noise? He heard the noise of a hoe. Children, hoe is a gardening tool with a long handle. Okay, so he heard the noise of a hoe. Scritch, scratch, like somebody might be digging the ground with that hoe. It was Mr. McGregor hoeing onions. So what was Mr. McGregor doing there? He was hoeing the onions over there with that hoe. His back was turned towards Peter, and beyond him was the gate. Now, when this rabbit reached there, he saw that Mr. McGregor was standing over there and he was hoeing the onions. And then Mr. McGregor's back was towards the rabbit. Okay. Mr. McGregor's back was towards the rabbit, and beyond Mr. McGregor there was a gate. Peter started running as fast as he could go along a straight walk behind some black currant bushes. Then what happened? Peter wanted to move out of the gate, but Mr. McGregor was there in between the gate and him. But Mr. McGregor's back was towards the rabbit, so the rabbit ran as fast as he could. And he ran towards some blackcurrant bushes, and through those bushes he ran out of the gate. Mr. McGregor caught sight of him at the corner, but Peter did not care. When he was running towards the gate, Mr. McGregor saw the rabbit running from there. But at that time, Peter did not care about Mr. McGregor. He slipped underneath the gate and was safe at last in the wood outside the garden. Then this Peter ran as fast as he could, and he, without caring for Mr. McGregor, and then he slipped from under the gate and was safe. And at last he was safe in the wood. Wood means forest. And at last he was safe in the forest outside the garden. Now he has reached the forest which was there outside the garden. So children, this was all there regarding the explanation of this lesson. We will do the exercises of this lesson in the next video. Thank you.